What's up, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be going over how to make an Autoblogger that will automatically post to WordPress. And in the second half of the video, I'm going to go over how to make your content undetectable by AI detectors using a really cool tool. So make sure to stick around. All right, I'm going to start from the beginning on using the tool. So go to GitHub. And I'll link this repository down below. Autoblogger WordPress is what it's called. So basically, I'm going to clone this repository and call it Autoblogger 2. So then go into Autoblogger 2. Open it in your file in your editor, and the first step is already in the README, so you can check that out. But basically, you want to have Conda installed. If you don't have Conda installed, then just Google how to install Anaconda, and you Conda create -n Autoblogger 2, accept, then Conda activate Autoblogger 2. So now you have your Conda environment set up, and then like it says in the README, you need to go through and make a .m file. So you have the .m.example, just make another .env, then just copy from the example into the env. Then you need to make a WordPress application username and password. So go to your WordPress site, plugins, add new, application passwords, and I already have it installed. Install and activate it, and then just go to your user profile, scroll down, create, and then click add new application password, and then get the password, and your username will be your username here. So username, password, and then change all the base URLs here to the one for your site. And then the next API key you need is an Unsplash API key. So just go to unsplash.com, get an API key. That's for photos. Then Serper API key for search results, because the program scrapes search results. So get a Serper API key. You get 2,500 scrapes per month for free, I'm pretty sure. Open API key, go to openai.com, get an API key, and then that should be good for your .env. I'm just gonna get mine that I already have. So all right, so now you have it basically set up. Let's see, is there anything else? No, that's pretty much it. Oh yes, so now you want to get the CSV list for the keywords that you want. So let's say you want articles on superfoods. Go to Ahrefs or whatever your keyword tool is, and then click keyword ideas, and then I usually do matching terms from keyword difficulty under 10, apply, show results, and then I'll get a bunch of keywords here that have low difficulty, and I can just export. So click export for OpenOffice, custom up to 50 keywords. So then basically open that and save it as what you want. So superfoods I'm going to call it. Oh, something already has that name. So save as, I'm just going to call it superfoods 2. And then now you can go and clean up this keyword list to have, you know, not duplicate search intent keywords, so that everything will be like covering like different like, you know, content and stuff like that. So you can clean that up, and you can even run it through ChatGPT and get it to clean that up for you. But the main thing is you just have to have keyword as one of the headings in your file. So I'm just going to use this dirty file, and basically you have to put it in your CSVs folder. So basically superfoods 2 here, put it in the main CSVs folder, and then you're pretty much ready. It'll go through all those keywords and write an article on each one, 2,000 to 4,000 words long. So that's pretty much all you need to do. Then I'm just gonna check. Yeah, pretty much just do that, and then go to GPT keyword. As you can see, the arguments it takes are keyword and category. So I'm going to start the app by doing Python 3 GPT keyword.py. Keyword is going to be the name of your file, so superfoods 2. And then category, you can make it whatever you want. That's the category that your WordPress site will use. So basically start that, and then it's going to run, and it's going to give you some details like processing URL 107, because it's scraping the web and getting information on the keyword, on the everything on the first page. So if there's 7 organic search results, it's getting 7 organic search results, and then it's going to summarize each one and use the summaries to basically make the article. So I already have an article written that I'm going to use for this. So it's called Exploring the World of Aerial Photography and blah blah blah. And as you can see, it's long, and each section is like pretty unique. It could be better. You may even want to try using ChatGPT 4 instead, because right now it's using 3.5 turbo, but I can't justify the cost at this moment. So now is where it comes like the really cool part on a tool that I didn't make, but I just found it, and this is how to humanize your content. Because one of the main issues with GPT content and other AI content is that it won't pass AI checkers. So let's say you are handing an essay, or if you want to bypass Google, because Google is, I think, ranking AI content a lot lower than other humanized content. So if you want to get a better chance of ranking, you should probably humanize your content. A lot of people are finding that AI content is not doing as well as they would have hoped, even though it's high quality content. If it's detected as AI, I think that Google cares about that. And so I found this really cool way of doing humanization. So Undetectable AI is the main thing that you can use to see if it's human or AI written content. And you can also use GPT-0. Now, let's say I went and made just like, what can I have a 1,000 word article on GoPro drones. So if I take this content and put it into the AI detectors, they're gonna know that it's AI. Let's wait a bit longer for it to generate a bit more. So I'm just gonna take this part, put it into here, GoPro drones, scan that. GPT-0 usually isn't as harsh, but let's see what it says. So it says 60% probability this text was written by AI. And then I think originality will probably say 100% chance. Yeah, 100% chance AI. So the way you can get past this is the repository that I found. Your stars, I'm going to, because I started. And then it's called AI detection bypass, and it's like insane how it works. Because it uses Selenium, which is like a way that you can basically open web pages and click on things and do stuff like that. And then what it does is it makes a new email each time, and the tool that it uses is Undetectable.ai, which is by far the best tool to make undetectable AI content. But if you look, you only have 250 words on your free plan, and then pricing is really steep. Like, even if you do 380k words per month, that's 209. So that would work out to around $4 an article on articles. Yeah, I think $4 an article on articles that are like 2,000 to 4,000 words, right? So $4 an article, if you can get past that, that's probably gonna eat in your budget if you're doing $4 an article and you do like 1,000 articles. So this tool literally is so cool. So let's make git clone, copy that, and then call it AI detection bypass 2. cd AI detection bypass 2 code. Open it up, and then I'm going to use the same content environment that I used before, which I forget what it's called. Autoblogger 2. Content activate Autoblogger 2. And then you need to get the requirements from here. So pip3 install minus requirements.txt. So that's cool. And then what you need to do is make a file, call it article.txt. And then you want to put your article in there. So I'm just going to copy everything from my article. Put it in the article here. And then this is just insane. Like Python 3, what's it called? Paraphraser.py. And then you'll see in a minute how it works. You answer these questions. And you'll see it's insane. Like, it'll just go to Undetectable. It'll automatically make a new account with a temporary email. And then it'll do 250 words at a time. And then it'll save it to a new file. So it probably takes around like 5 to 7 minutes per article. And like, you basically save $4 an article that way. So you can really experiment with like a high volume of articles, as long as this like hack doesn't get like outed or they add more captchas or something like that. So it's pretty insane. See, it's going to go to paraphrase.txt. Then when it's done, pretty much just copy the stuff from paraphrase.txt and then put it back in your WordPress, and then you'll have, you know, pretty much undetectable content. On my last scan, I'm not sure if you can go back here, But on my last scan, oh, I do have it somewhere else. So I'm just going to pull this up quickly. So as you can see, I'm just gonna take all the text from paraphrased, and then check that. Call it vitar. So last time I ran the scan, I got like a 65% human and 35% AI, and then on GPT-0 I got like 20% AI, 80% human. So let's see. Okay, 46% probability this was written by AI, but that's it's better than nothing, because usually it's a lot lower. And then if you want, you can literally just put the paraphrase back in the article and have it run a second time, and that could also improve the odds. But I think, if you have 50% each, that's a lot better than the stock ChatGPT article, which would give you 99% on originality.ai. So it's pretty much the best way that I've found to do things. I am gonna integrate this AI detection bypass automatically in my tool, so that you literally don't have to lift a finger, and it'll automatically do one article every 10 minutes to WordPress. Cost is around 30 to 40 cents an article using the OpenAI API. And so let's say you did 1,000 articles, it would only cost you $50, and they'd be optimized like in the best way to pass AI detection and be unique and also lengthy. So yeah, I think that that's a good overview of these two tools. Like I said, I'm gonna put this tool in my tool and make it automatic as well. So yeah, if you liked, please like the video, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.